my name is Chanchal Agrawal. In today's video lecture, we will going to see that how to convert a postfix expression into infix. As in the last video lecture, I have discussed the conversion from prefix to infix and prefix to postfix. Now, as I have told you that this first word indicates that when the operands will be popped out from the stack, so what will be the order of the operands. Okay, so whenever you have the conversion from the postfix to anyone, means either infix, postfix to infix, or postfix to prefix. So whenever the first word is postfix, so you will, whenever you will pop out, you will place the operand number 2 first and operand number 1 first after the operand number 2. But in the prefix we will write like operand number 1, operand number 2. But in the from the postfix to any conversion, you will write operand number 2 and operand number 1 when you will pop out from the stack. To infix means this word indicates the place of the operator should be in between or should be prior to the all the operands. In case when we are converting into infix, so we will pop out the operand number 2. First of all, we will pop out the operand number 1, which we will place on the right side. After that, we will write the operand number 2, and to infix means we will place the plus sign in between the operand number 2 and operand number 1. Let's see one example so that you can understand it very clearly. This is our postfix expression, and in this expression we have to convert this expression into infix. So when we have prefix expression, we will start right to left, but while converting from postfix to either infix or prefix, we will start scanning from left to right. Okay, left to right in case of postfix expression. So first of all, whenever a operand will come, we will push that operand into the stack. That means A will come, so we will push A into the stack. After that, B is coming, so we will push B into the stack. Okay, after that plus will come, so plus is an operator, so when plus will come, we will pop top 2 symbols from the stack. And as I have told you that we are converting from postfix to infix. So in the postfix, when we will pop out, we will write operand number 2 and operand number 1. Okay, so you can see here that what is the operand number 1. Top of the stack is always operand number 1, so we will place the operand number 1 here. Okay, and operand number 2 is what? A, so we will place the operand number 2 here. This A is operand number 2 and operand number 1 is what? B. And since we are converting postfix to infix, so we will place this plus sign in between, because in infix the operator is in between the operands. Now when we have processed this A plus B, we will push back it into the stack. After that, what is coming? C is coming, so we will push C into the stack. After that, D is coming, so we will push D into the stack. After that, when minus will come, we will pop top 2 symbols from the stack. Operand number 2, operand number 1. Operand number 1, that means D will be placed here. Operand number 2, that is C, will be placed here. To infix means I will place the minus in between. After that, we will push it back onto the stack and the multiplication sign will come. When multiplication will come, so what is our operand number 1? This is operand number 1. So in postfix we have operand number 2, operand number 1. So we will place the operand number 1 here. Here operand number 2. This is operand number 1. This is operand number 2. Okay. top of the stack is always operand number 1, operand number 1, operand number 2, and after that to infix means we have to place the operator in between these two operands. So the final expression, infix expression, is this. We will see the example number 2, that how to convert postfix expression into infix. Suppose you have this postfix expression and you have to convert this expression into infix. So first of all, you will start scanning from left to right. Whenever operands are coming, you keep on pushing into the stack. When A will come, first of all A will come, so you will push A into the stack. After that B is coming, so you will push B into the stack. After that D is coming, so you will push D into the stack. After that an operator is coming, that is power operator is coming, so you will pop top two symbols from the stack and you will pop in a way like operand number 2, operand number 1, because this is the conversion from postfix to infix. Okay, in the postfix operand number 2 first and then operand number 1. So D and B are the operand. So what is operand number 1? That is D. What is operand number 2? That is B. Okay, and to infix means in the infix we will place the operator in between. So we will place the power operator is in between the B and D, and this result we will push back into the stack. We will push this result back into the stack. After that what is coming? Plus sign is coming. After that plus sign is coming. So when plus sign will come, we will pop top two operands. Now this is process, so it will act like an operand. This is operand number 1, so it will go here. This is operand number 2. Okay, and after that in between we will place the operator, that is plus sign. Now what is coming? After that E will come. E will come. So when E will come, we will push E back into the stack. After that F is coming, so we will push F into the stack. E and F is over. After that what is coming? Minus is coming. Okay, when minus will come, we will pop top two symbols from the stack in a way that operand 2, operand 1, because this is postfix expression. So operand number 1 is F, operand number 2 is E. Top of the stack is operand number 1. So operand number 1 is F, operand number 2 is E, and we will place the operator minus sign in between, and we will push it back onto the stack. We will push back it onto the stack. After that division is coming. When division will come, we will pop in the same way. Operand number 1 is E minus F, operand number 2 is A plus B power D, and we will place the division in between the operand number 2 and 1. After that G will come, we will push it back onto the stack, that is we will push it back onto the stack. After that G will come, then we will push G into the stack. We will push G into the stack. After that plus will come. So when plus will come, we will pop top two operands such a way that operand number 2 and operand number 1. So G is my operand number 1. We will write G here, and this is the whole operand number 2. Okay, and we will place the plus sign in between. So this is the final infix expression for the equivalent postfix expression. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like the video, so please click on like and subscribe button.